Sony has been preparing for the end of disc-based PlayStation games for quite some time, according to a report the regional publication of Austria's national broadcasting network has revealed. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. The management at Sony's Digital Audio Disc Corporation told ORF the company has already invested $34 million into converting its disc factory in Thalgau, Salzburg into a plant for optical microlenses. Those changes have apparently been in the works for quite some time, although management only told Thalgau workers about them on July 1st, when Sony announced that PlayStation is going all in on digital starting from January 2028. And as for optical microlenses, they can manipulate light and are typically used in camera sensors, AR/VR headsets, fiber optic networks, and medical devices. The Thalgau plant currently manufactures 600,000 discs every day, with half of that volume going to PlayStation games. Sony GadInsider CEO Diet Martanzer expects disc production to drop at 10% of the plant's current output in 2028. As sources note, the Thalgau facility isn't just one of Sony's disc-making factories, it's where GadInsider is based. GadInsider used to have a mass manufacturing factory in Terre Haute, Indiana, where it made 23 billion discs from 1983 until it closed in 2022. From that time until today, it's manufactured 3.4 billion more discs. Tanzer told ORF that the company intends to retain the 300 employees currently working for it at the Thalgau plant. They'll be working for the production of optical microlenses in the near future, since Sony plans to start manufacturing them as soon as next year. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.